Bellows down, run those bombs.
5, 4,
Beware.
3, 2, 1.
Get those billows pumping!
Okay, run bombs. Alright, move over to the other side.
Quick. DPS Foreman and Bill while you're moving.
That's still recharging. That spell is at the ready. Beware.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Try and get those engineers close to the heat regulator seal.
That's still recharging. Cast that yet. That spell is at the ready.
Turn up the heat, boys! We'll sweat 'em out!
4,
Beware.
2, 1.
That's still
Fuck.
recharging.
Sorry.
Run the bombs.
To be quick.
We need 2 more bombs.
5,
You guys got 15
Beware.
seconds.
3, 2, 1.
That's still recharging.
1 more bomb. It's closed.
Good job, everyone. Alright, let's get the Bellows.
That's still recharging.
I'll have him. Don't stand in front of him. Big heals on me.
5,
Beware.
3,
That's still
2,
recharging.
1.
Take down the Bellows and then go for the Foreman.
Yeah, do you want a lust?
Might be a waste now, I think.
Yeah, I don't think we need to. Just get that operator out of the shield.
Move in,
Yeah,
move
it's
in, move in.
hard with the
3,
cone.
2, 1.
Because I can't just directly turn them around or else they'll breathe on top of the fucking raid.
Alright, get these slags on top of the moon.
Millie, you want to move a little closer?
That's still
5,
beware.
3, 2, 1.
Cast that yet.
Get rid of the swap.
That was clean, guys. I like it.
Alright,
Everyone on the elementalist.
Watch out for the bomb bags being dropped, guys.
Yeah, when that bomb bag gets close to detonation, just let it move out for a second.
2,
Gizzy, make sure you have the fire colas on top of you. I'll get the securities.
Right back in on it.
That's still
Probably not going to get this down.
Try your hardest. Believe.
5,
beware.
3, 2, 1.
That's still
Got it, okay, move to blue.
Next. AoE down those fire colas while I can. Tell me if you see a rogue security guard.
beware.
4 man still not down.
2,
We'll just AoE him down one move.
Doesn't matter.
Let's try and get him down, guys. And of course the primal element is first priority. There's a fire cola.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, got him over here.
Get that slide back on.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Everyone switch to the elementalist.
Security guard.
Got him. Thank you.
Beware.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Fire cola over there.
Next
Cool.
elementalist. Everyone to X.
Beware.
2, 1.
That's still recharging.
5, 4,
Beware.
2, 1.
That's still recharging.
On the Primal Elementus. Oh, never mind.
No, everyone on him. Everyone on the Primal Elementalist.
Beware.
2,
Oh,
Fire
my bad.
Caller in the back of DPS. There you go. You got him.
5,
Make sure that Elementalist dies.
Beware.
2, 1. Five, 4,
Good.
2,
One more, boys.
1.
Just get some of those fire calls down before next phase. We've also got a lot of security guys up.
Five, 4,
Beware.
2, 1.
Everyone on the Elementalist.
5, 4,
Beware.
2, 1.
Can't get a hold on that security guard. There we go.
5, 4,
Beware.
It's the last one, guys. Get ready. Moving back to
Yeah.
Diamond. Just trying to AoE these ass down a bit.
5,
Do you want to
It's gonna be
pop
a lot
last?
of them.
Beware.
Here we go.
As soon
You
as the
take
boss
the
gets
boss.
dragged over, pop last.
Where we bring a boss to? The security guards?
Back,
Yeah.
back here. Yeah.
Back to start.
Try and grab the boss if you can.
5,
I have him.
4,
Oh, sweet, sweet, sweet.
Beware.
2, 1.
Right, last it.
Tell me when you reach 2 stacks. I'm a bit focusing.
Andrew to the back of the room.
I'm at 2.
Got him.
5, 4,
Beware.
2, 1.
Zan to the back of the room.
Yep.
Just moving a bit out.
You again, Zan.
5,
Yep.
4,
Beware.
2,
We got this, guys.
It's on Blood, Zan. Move to the back of the room. It's on Nat.
5,
Move to the back of the room.
Beware.
2, 1.
Two.
It's on me.
5, 4,
Beware.
It's on Andrew again. Move to the back of the room. We're going to want to start pulling the boss around the room now. So start kiting him around the outer wall. Andrew again to the back of the room.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
Blood's in again. Me again.
2.
Beware.
Belfort to the back of the room.
2, 1.
Andrew again.
Five,
Belfort again.
4,
Beware.
3, 2, 1.
Andrew.
Shit,
Selene.
you need to move him.
5,
Move him.
Beware.
Got him.
3, 2, 1.
Selene again.
You got this. Get overconfident. 1 mil. Get overconfident. Get pumped. A kill.
Good job, guys.
GG.
Fucking good job.
That was clean.
That was really good, guys. Not gonna lie. The strategy did work.
Ooh, the legs dropped.